start with the 20th example. 10 positively charged particles are kept fixed on the x-axis. So that's the x-axis at x is equal to 10 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 30 centimeter, and so on up to 100 centimeter. The first particle is having a charge of 1 into 10 to the power minus 8. The other particle is 8 into 10 raised to minus 8. The third is 27 into 10 raised to minus 8. And this will be 1000 into 10 raised to minus 8. It means it is 1 ka cube, 2 ka cube, 3 ka cube, 4 ka cube, 5 ka cube, and so on. Such kind of charges are arranged. Okay. Find the magnitude of electrostatic force acting on 1 coulomb charge at origin. Okay. So as you can see, the force due to all the charges will add together, because 1 coulomb charge this charge will repel this charge will also repel this charge will also repel this. So I know the net force will be addition of all k q1 q2 by r squares. Okay. So that is quite simple. I can take here k q1 upon distance 10 centimeter. So it will be 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. The square will be 100 into 10 raised to minus 4 plus k into again k q1 q2, that is 1 coulomb. This is fixed, so no need to write, divided by r square. This is 20 centimeter. So 20 will be 20 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. So on squaring it will be 400 into 10 raised to minus 4 plus again k, I will write here down, k into 27 into 10 raised to minus 8 divided by 30 centimeter. So 30 centimeter, square of 30 will be 900 and centimeter will be 10 raised to minus 2 ka square minus 4, and so on, plus finally k into 1000 into 10 to the power minus 8 divided by distance square. So it will be 100 into 10 raised to minus 4. So the square of 100 will be 10,000 into 10 raised to minus 4 minus 2 ka square. Now let's take the things which can be taken as common. So k everywhere can be taken as common. 10 raised to minus 8, 10 raised to minus 8, 10 raised to minus 8, 10 raised to minus 8 can be taken as common. As you can see here in the denominator, minus 4 plus 2, that comes out to be minus 2. So from everywhere 10 raised to minus 2, 10 raised to minus 2 as well as 10 raised to minus 2 can be taken as common. So if I take k as common, 10 raised to minus 8 as common, and 10 raised to minus 2 as common, so what remain here, it will be 1 plus 8 upon 4 plus 27 upon 9 and so on, plus 10 raised to 3, okay, 10 raised to 3 upon 100. Now let's substitute the value. So net force will be equal to k, the value of k is 9 into 10 to the power 9, 10 raised to minus 8, and this will be plus 2, this 2 will go up, it become plus 2, then 1 plus 4 2s are 8, 9 3s are 27, and so on. So it will be 1 plus 2 plus 3, 10. Now 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power minus 8 plus 2 will be minus 6. In bracket it is nothing but AP, and sum of n terms of AP is n into a plus nth term upon 2. So there are total 10 terms. So 10 into first term is 1, the nth term is 10 divided by 2. So that will be 9 into 10 to the power 9 minus 6. So 9 minus 6, 3, and that comes out to be 3. This will be 10 into 10 plus 1, 11 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are, and this comes out to be 495 into 10 to the power 3 Newton. Okay, and now on arranging you will get the answer. The standard way of writing answer is decimal point should be after single non-zero digit. So 4.95, so that comes out to be 10 to the power 5, and that's the final answer to this question. Thank you.